Okay guys, good morning. It's Vlogmas day 5. And I'm post 3. It's Vlogmas day 5 of the 12 days of Christmas. Right now, these are me shaking. Right now I'm dropping down my vehicle to the car wash. And then I'm gonna walk back up. I'm mad because I can't find my wallet with like my ID and stuff. So if I need that today, what I'd probably do. I have cash. I always have cash, but still. That sucks. So I'm gonna walk back up. I'm gonna see if I can get a tablecloth for games night. And something else I was gonna get. No, I think the tablecloth is the only thing. When I want tablecloth, I'm just gonna get cloth. And I think that's the only thing that I need. Whose clean child is this?
Boy, I don't know. I don't know. I just find him in a gutter yesterday and just clean him up and dust him off and then just bring him up.
No, you really shocked me. Like I really wasn't expecting this morning.
You were shocked.
I was shocked.
To your core. It happens. It happens.
I'm cleaner. Come on, when is your turn? I'm tired already. Not even one. I'm doing the bells again. Your favorite pastime?
Your favorite pastime?
Look how cute they are, dude. Okay. Today I've been kind of there. I'm actually have no sense of what is called
eventually
sense of joy today. I do not look like how I'm dressed right now, so I really hope that the dinner tonight cheers up my mood, because it doesn't seem as though anything is going right. My Jeep is now down. Don't know how we making that, but my Jeep is now down. In transit has my package and the stuff that I'm supposed to wear to the dinner later, but then telling me that the package is arrived but the invoice is not ready. So I don't know if I get those stuff. So it's the kind of day I understand people and see people frustrated. It's Christmas time where the people want things, but a lot is happening and I do not feel joyful today.
a few moments later.
When in doubt, go shopping.
This is where I sorry, I just realized.
Where you running from me for? This is how I be waiting on I watched it. I see this dog every day and he's just so content with life. Yeah, I wanna call it Turner. Really? Yeah, really. Who's your thing? Let him born first.
A few moments later.
I look cute.
Vlogmas.
Are they vlogging?
Nice.
Yeah, they're vlogging. Cheesecake? Oh, God. Cheesecake, what have you been doing inside all day? Hey, I've been doing inside all day. Huh? What is this? So I have to put up them thing here. I have to put up them thing here.
Your stuff.
Hey, you. Keep it up. You know what you think. Hello. Hi. This is Vlogmas. Hi. Hi. Are they here cleaning?
1 hour later.
We're looking nice. We're looking nice. We're looking nice. What is on here? So she helping. So you didn't want me? You are new.
Competition. Oh, besties. What?
So you don't want me?
It's mine. Cheesecake. Okay.
Yeah, I'm here. Something adjusted though. You're so happy.
Yeah, right? She's so happy. And she did jackpot. Oh, cutie. After she been locked up all day.
What? Bro, what are you talking about, man?
Attention galore. Let's see. Fatty bum bum. Fatty bum bum. Nampi ni ay. Let me see. So adorable.
She looks so nice.
That's the first stop. What you gonna do?
Oh, no way. I thought she was gonna turn to you. Hi, cutie.
Cheesecake! No! You just get your enjoy. You just take a mile.
Where you
Cheesecake!
going? Cheesecake. Where are you going? Where are you going? Hmm? Okay, go to him.
Oh Jesus! Oh Jesus! Oh Jesus! Oh my God! Cheesecake!
Oh my gosh, cheesecake.
You
Where's she
happy?
climbing going?
I want to know.
Let's see. Thank you. Where's the...
We are taking a break.
Girl, I love
Oh,
you.
golden
But you missed
apple.
your flight because you were so
Alright, makeup so
I
far.
mean, come on.
Good night. We are the St. Vincent Girls High School Loyal House Adulta Performing Arts Club, and tonight we're here to spread a little Christmas joy into your loving home. We hope you enjoy.
Christmas comes around once a year, reminding us of our Savior's birth,
With hearts of love and gratitude, we celebrate this season.
spreading the joy and truth of His word, uniting our voices together as one.
Proclaiming the message of hope and grace, may these songs lift your hearts and remind you that God is with us,
Emmanuel. From the Loyal Hearts Adulta, we wish you all a Merry Christmas. I love me Christmas, I love it bad. Around the Christmas tree. Merry Christmas!
I forgot to show you guys how I ended up looking. I don't even know how this looks. Fold it forward. I don't even know how this is looking. Yeah. How this looking. So night, guys. Hi. So yeah, I'm gonna head to Sandals now. The group is not ready. The agreed upon time was 9 to leave town. It is 9:53, 7 minutes to 10. So I'm gonna leave home now. That was quite a task to reach here. So I'm waiting on the girls before I go in. Let me just adjust this. Wait a bit. I'm waiting on the girls a bit to go in because I don't want to just go in there because I don't know anyone else really there. Yeah. This is my neon.
Thank you. You're welcome.
Hi.
Hey, let me spin for you.
Thank you. Damn. What happened there? Guys, my friend is now engaged. That means she's not tight for me anymore. It's okay.
Last thing see you. Question. Right.
From December start.
Every day is Christmas.